Extracting information from an ERP system, other than that can be extracted using pre-programmed reports and inquiry function is very difficult, if not impossible, for users of any ERP system. If the end user wants information of some kind, they need to go through IT experts. Not so for LEOBIZ users, they can make queries of their own very easily. LEOBIZ is an information utility as well. LEOBIZ is ERP made more democratic. Let us say that we want to see the trend in the electricity expenses from the year 2015. Let us inquire into GL entries register in the system and extract the records of electricity expenses. Query screen displays data attributes of the main register, IGL entries in this case, and its related register attributes developer has chosen. In a simple query, one could specify the attribute values that should a specific attribute satisfy to be selected. One could choose relationship data attributes should be satisfied for the register entry to be selected. If you specify multiple attributes relations, all of them should be satisfied for the register entries to be selected. In this specific example, subledger financial year greater than or equal to 2015. Name should start with electric. It will list all GL entries of sub-accounts starting with electric posted for financial year 2015 or later. In the results grid, you could right-click and export to Excel. While you are exporting to Excel, you could choose additional data attributes to be exported to GL. Clicking Advanced Option button will show all the related registers and data attributes. We will include confirmed by. You will observe all transactions were created and confirmed by same person. You could analyze the resulting Excel sheet and get all the information you need. Better still, we assume that we need annual totals of expense. That is, we need summary. We need summary for each year and we will need summary of debit amounts. We will command to summarize. This screen is used to show so that more advanced options could be used to summarize summary of arithmetical expression, such as debit amount minus credit amount. Saving the query formulated for execution at a later time with or without changes, etc. When we continue, system will list the results. You could export to Excel or you display in a graphical display of type of your choice. Let us assume that we need to get the results in tabular so that will show the monthly expense in columnar format for each column. These are known as cross tab. It is very simple with LEOBIZ. Make the type cross tab. Add the accounting period as a column. The results will be shown. It can be exported to Excel. If query is to be repeatedly used, with little bit training, user could store them and execute them whenever it is required. Queries can be grouped according functionalities. We won't look at profitability expenses. Query is stored so as to request the year for which it is required. Detailed transactions that make up the value can be obtained.